So on certain Nissan vehicles, there is a feature where you can actually roll down your windows without ever even getting into the vehicle. So this is a cool feature to have, especially if you live in an area where it's hot. As you're walking to your car after getting out of the store, you can actually do this and you can roll down the windows to start letting some of the hot air out. All right, so if your vehicle is equipped with this, at least through Nissan, all you have to do is get your remote and you double click on the unlock button and leave it pressed for a little bit, like so. And there you go. That's how you lower the windows without getting into your vehicle, if it is equipped. And the reason I say if it is equipped is because right next to my Pathfinder, I have a Sentra, Nissan as well. This one does not have that option. If I double click on the unlock, nothing happens. So your vehicle has to be equipped with it. If it does, try it out, double click on it, but you have to do it fast, twice, and then leave it pressed for about 3 or 4 seconds. And if they start rolling down, you have a quick, nice little hack on how to lower your windows without getting in your vehicle. Thank you for watching.